Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will solve the following differential equation y prime minus 7y is equal to 14x. So note that this is a first order differential equation. We already solved a video on how to solve first order differential equation. I will give the link in the description box. You can check that from there. So now compare this first order differential equation into the general form. So general form is given by y prime plus px times y is equal to qx. So here by comparing we get px equal to minus 7 and qx equal to 14x. So we know the formula of integrating factor is given by e to the integral px dx. And here what is px? That is minus 7 dx. So that will be e power minus 7x. So multiplying by integrating factor to the equation number 1, we get ddx of y e power minus 7x is equal to 14x e power minus 7x. So we have y e power minus 7x is 14 times integral x times minus 7x dx. So here we have to perform the integration by parts method. So that will be x times e power minus 7x by minus 7 minus derivative of x is 1. Again integration is e power minus 7 by minus 7 dx plus c. So 14 times minus x e power minus 7 by 7 plus e power minus 7 by 7 dx. So this will be minus x e power minus 7x by 7 minus e power minus 7x by 49 plus c. So this is equal to y e power minus 7x. So what will be y? By multiplying by e power 7x, we get 14 times minus x by 7 minus 1 by 49 plus 3 times e power 7, which is the general solution of the given differential equation.